up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We will let you know what's going on. Man, you probably already know what's going on by the title, but see you in the car. So guys, so we're in the car on the way to McDonald's, Mcd's, whatever you want to call it. And this video is basically gonna be testing the waters. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna order a 20-piece chicken nuggets, okay? And me and Irel are going to try every sauce that they have. So I'm gonna try and ask the cashier or whoever if they could put one of every sauce that they have. So like, for example, barbecue sauce, that's the go-to for me. The bad thing about this is that I'm a picky eater. Irel doesn't even eat sauce. So she gonna learn today. You never even eat sauce when you eat nuggets.
No, I don't like it. I think Mom put some, like, what do you call it? Ketchup.
Ketchup? In your what?
Some ketchup and something because something felt weird, or she just gave it.
Ketchup in what though? Chicken, ketchup in your eggs, ketchup in your what?
I don't know.
Well,
She just probably gave it to me.
ketchup is nothing. I can deal with ketchup, but
I don't like ketchup.
you guys are definitely gonna see how this goes down, because I'm gonna ask for every dipping sauce they have, and if they have some hot sauce or something, we gonna take it. We're gonna try it, and we have to eat it. We cannot spit it out, Irel. You don't have to get that much, but you have to dip it in the thing. Like, you know how you just dip your nuggets, or I do? I know for sure they have barbecue ranch, sweet and sour. I don't know what other ones they have. I think they have honey mustard, but and I feel like they had to have like some kind of hot sauce. So I'm gonna ask for, can they give me like one of each sauce that they carry? So we're gonna see if they're gonna be stingy, or we're gonna see if they're gonna actually give us all the sauces. I'm gonna show you what sauces we get. That way, you know, they play and they just give us like 5 sauces. So that's why I'm ordering a 20-piece, 10 for me and 10 for Irel. And yeah, we're just gonna try to make the best of it. I do want to order some food after because I'm hungry, but we're gonna do this video for you guys, so stay tuned. We're almost to McDonald's, and let's actually see what they think when I pick up the camera and order, and just to make sure that they have all the sauces inside.
And I think I'm gonna really spit everything out.
No, you gotta eat it, girl.
No.
Alright, so we just got here. I'm gonna ask, or should I just ask when I get to the window? I don't know. I think they ask right here, but we shall see.
Hi, can I help you?
Hi, can I get a 20-piece chicken nuggets?
What kind of sauce?
Or you know what? The number 6 is the 10-piece nugget with the drink.
Okay, what kind of drink?
Or is that what comes with it?
That one comes with a drink, but we don't have a 20-piece chicken nugget combo.
Okay, is there oh, it comes with fries. You know what, can I just get the 20-piece nuggets and then a drink on the side? A large Coke?
Okay, did you want any fries?
No fries.
And what kind of sauce?
What sauces do you guys have?
Barbecue, sweet and sour, honey mustard, hot mustard, ranch, buffalo.
You know what, can you just give me like one of each?
One of each?
Yes, please.
Okay.
And that's gonna be all.
Okay, so it's going to be $7.53 at the first one. No, thank you.
Thank you.
I'm not.
So I guess, I don't know. And she named like 5 or 6 of them, so we're gonna find out right now.
20 chicken nugget and a large Coke?
Yes.
That'll be $7.53.
Boom. Boom, 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 boom.
Halfway there, halfway there.
Halfway there,
Gotta
halfway
get the
there.
sauce.
He gotta get his drink.
Thank you. Damn, that was quick. She wanted me out of here. She's like, here you go. I think they close actually today at 10 p.m. I think that's what the sign said on the speaker thing. But it's not even 10 o'clock yet, so they just want to be done with it and go home. I guess you could consider this like a little mukbang test tasting video, but we got our nuggets. Smell fresh. Got the nuggets, got the 10-piece and another 10-piece.
My favorite thing, I probably love. I only like
Got a straw.
Yeah, I think I just put my hair out.
You only like what?
I think I only like chicken nuggets and French fries. That's like the only thing I'm ever here for.
If we eat this and you're still hungry, we'll get something else, because I know we're gonna try it with different sauces. I'm gonna show you guys the sauces right now, but first.
Wait, Dad, can I show them?
I gotta take a sip of this. What?
Show them the
Go for it, go for it.
So guys, on my TikTok account, I found this like spray. It kind of looked like tie-dye spray, so I tie-dyed my white scrunchie. And it's pink now.
It's what color?
It's pink and white.
It's like a pink tie-dye. Like some of it's darker pink and some of it's light pink and some of it's white. I don't know if you guys can see that, but she did it all by herself. So the moment of truth, woo! We're gonna find out these sauces right here. 5 sauces.
5 sauces, guys.
You get 3 and I get 2, and you're gonna tell me which ones there is. One at a time.
So this is ranch.
Back it up. So it's ranch. I got the ranch, the spicy buffalo right here. You can't even see it because it's blurry, but spicy buffalo. What else?
Tangy barbecue.
Oh, that's my favorite. Got the hot mustard. I basically grabbed the hot ones, but Irel's gonna try them all too.
Sweet and sour.
That's my second favorite. Barbecue and then sweet and sour. That's it?
I think I would like sweet and sour probably. Maybe barbecue sauce.
I thought they had more, honestly. Maybe they do have. We should. You know what we should have got? You know what we should have got?
What?
We should have asked them for like the pancake syrup. You know how they come in like tubs.
Heck no,
I think that would actually taste good. Chicken and
no.
syrup.
That's messed up, guys. That's messed up. I don't like it.
I've only tried the barbecue and the sweet and sour. Don't get messy.
I think I need to throw up, man.
Why? You smelled it? Okay, here you go, girl. These people are watching us. Hurry up.
So that's ranch.
Alright, I got mine open. Stop looking. Stop looking at those people.
Oh my god, I really smell it. I think the thing that I'm rooting for is probably barbecue.
Okay, so this is how it's gonna work. We're gonna actually dip it in, and we're gonna actually bite it. And you're gonna actually chew. You have to at least chew it 3 times. Look, you have to at least chew it 3 times before you can spit it out. If you want to spit it out.
Is there any napkins?
You have to chew it. No, there's no napkins. Oh yeah, right here.
Oh hey.
Yeah,
No,
you got
boy.
the napkins.
How are they gonna see me?
Slowly. But I'm gonna be the bigger person and I'm gonna eat it. I think you might as well eat it if you're gonna chew it 3 times. Actually, we'll try them at the same time. Okay, which one are you trying? Did you just take a bite? Alright. Taste test. The nugget. Okay, good. Alright, we're gonna try the favorite one first. Barbecue. Because I know I'm gonna like that one anyways.
Barbecue.
The best. I finished that one. What about you? You like it or no? Don't tell me you don't like it. It's pretty good. Yeah? Alright.
I finished it.
Now we're gonna try sweet and sour.
Oh, heck.
That one's actually good. It tastes like candy a little bit. Trust. Tastes like candy.
Okay.
Try it. It's the middle. It's the middle one. Tastes like candy. What do you think? You like it? Do you like it or not?
Kind of.
Huh?
Kind of.
Who are you waving at?
Nobody.
Now it's gonna get to the worst ones, which I
Guys, I like ranch.
I don't like at all. I don't like ranch at all. Sorry to you ranch lovers out there. People be eating ranch with everything. I don't like ranch. Alright.
Like sandwiches.
This one we ain't dipping hard. I'm only dipping a little bit.
I'll dip it hard.
Really?
Yeah, maybe.
Alright, this is how much I'm getting right here. You didn't even do it. Let me see. See that? See that? She was trying not to eat it. At least, you gotta at least chew it 3 times and then you can spit it out if you don't like it. I'm gonna actually eat mine.
Okay, fine.
1, 2, 3. You didn't like it? Alright, I'm gonna eat mine. I gotta eat the whole nugget because if I don't, the ranch is gonna be nasty. Oh. Why'd you spit it out?
I ate the other part of the mayonnaise.
Throw it in the bag.
Like
I think the ranch one will be the worst one for me.
I was just about to cry right now. It's so
And the next 2 are the worst for Irel. So we're gonna find out right now. Which is honey mustard or hot mustard.
The only thing that I like is
spicy
like
buffalo.
the honey mustard and the barbecue.
Well, actually, it's not honey mustard, baby. It's hot mustard. I don't even like mustard. That's probably the worst one.
I don't like mustard.
I thought it was.
Ew, that looks like baby's poop color.
I thought it was honey mustard, but I guess not. Alright,
It
it's
looks
hot
like the
mustard.
poop color.
Alright, get a nugget because you're going to try it right now.
Oh, yeah.
Hot mustard. Alright.
Okay.
Wait, hold on.
Maybe
No. You gotta dip it. You gotta dip it.
I did, dog. Look at that much.
Alright. Don't wipe it on my seat, homegirl. Okay, go. At the same time?
3 chews? Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's not hot. It just tastes like mustard. Don't spit it in my car. Bro, that was nasty. I don't even like mustard. That's worse than the ranch. Spicy buffalo sauce. This one should be alright for me, but Irel.
I don't like buffalo or sauce.
Or spicy. You don't like hot sauce. No. You gotta dip it at least. Baby, that's nothing. There. You chew it 3 times if you want, or eat it. But I'm gonna eat it. Show the camera how much you have. Dang, you got more than me. Hold on, let me get some more. Alright, ready? Ready at the same time. 1, 2, 3. Oh, alright. It's a little spicy, it's not really. Is it really spicy for you? I don't know.
Let the video close out.
Wait. I gotta ask you before we close it out. You gotta get in the frame because I can't see you. Okay, for a person that doesn't eat sauce with their nuggets, what is your favorite one out of these 5? Your favorite one?
Barbecue sauce.
Okay, what's number 2 then?
Actually,
The ranch or
I like
spicy?
this one.
Sweet and sour? Yeah, mine too. And then if I had to pick a third one between the other three I don't like, would be the spicy buffalo.
Now can I eat all my chicken nuggets?
Go for it, baby. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Oh man. So tomorrow's video, just so you guys know, if you're in the loop of watching our videos every day, you'll know that I'm going to actually get tattooed on Saturday.
Which is
I'm still
tomorrow.
posting a video tomorrow and the next day, and the majority of the next 3 or 4 videos will be based on my tattoo, the tattoo artist, what I'm gonna get tattooed. I kind of switched up my mind a little bit of what I'm getting tattooed, but it's the same person. Stay tuned till tomorrow's video. Thank you guys for watching. Stay positive, stay strong, you know, going through these hard times, so keep a smile on your face. We just want to make you smile, and just look at her.
Enjoy
Peace
the
out,
life
guys.
of chicken nuggets.
Peace out, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a good night. Peace.